Okay, so today we are treating executive support stroke information system. Executive support stroke information systems. Current executive support system data is available on the local area network throughout the companies or the enterprise, facilitating by a personal computers and station computers. So executive support, I hope you know what is the local area network. The LAN, the executive support system, is on the local area network throughout the companies or the enterprise, facilitating by a personal computers and station and workstations. Employee can access primary data to help make decisions in their workplace, department, division, etc. This enables employees to provide relevant information and ideas above or below the level of their company. Executive support systems are intended to be used directly by senior managers to support on schedule strategic management. Executive support systems are intended to be used directly by senior managers to support on schedule strategic management decisions. Often, such information is external. They are external. That is why they are on the local area network. They are external. Often, such information is external, unstructured, and even uncertain. Often, the exact scope and context of such information are not known in advance. They are not known in advance. This information is based on data, business intelligence, financial intelligence, then data with technological support to analyze. Please, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the executive support system can be found. The key characteristics of the executive support system can be found in the diagram. We have the executive support system. We have trend analysis. So with the executive support system, you will be able to perform trend analysis. We have processing informations. We have detailed data, and it's easy to use. Where we have the integrated external and the internal system. So this is how the executive support system works. Executive support system. Now, we have the detail. The executive support system provide detailed data, provide absolute data from its existing database. So when you are applying the executive support system, you have the privilege of having an absolute data from existing database, the database that you have in your organization, an existing database. You get the information from there. Then we have integrated external and internal data. Executive support system integrates external and internal data. The external data are collected from various sources. Then internal data are within your own means. Then we have presenting information. Executive support system present available data in graphical form, which help to analyze information easily. It helps to analyze information easily. Trend analysis. It helps executive support system help executives of the organization to data depicting based on trend. It helps them to perform trend analysis. It helps them to perform trend analysis. So with executive support system, when we say trend analysis performed from year by year for maybe about comparing a data of about 5 years, comparing a data about 4 years, you are performing trend analysis. Executive support system helps executives of an organization to depict to data depiction based on trend data, easily to use. It is very, very simple system to use. It's a very simple system to use. I think now our number is we have one person left. Please, okay, I'm coming. Kate is joining. I'm coming. Okay, let's go on. So executive information system advantage. One, executive support system. We have seen what it is. We have seen how it works. We want to look at advantages of the executive support system. Executive support system. One, trend analysis. Executive support system helps executives to do trend analysis. Two, it improvement of corporate performance in the workplace. Executive support system helps to improve corporate performance. It helps to improve corporate performance. Development of management leadership skills. Executive support system helps development of managerial leadership skills. Executive support system helps to improve decision making. It helps to improve decision making. Then that is 4. 5, simple to use by senior management. It's made in such a way that it will be very simple for managers to use. Then better report method. Executive support system comes with a better reporting methods. Then executive support system improve office efficiency. It improves office efficiency. These are the advantages. Now, let's look at disadvantages of the executive support system. Due to technical functions, not too easily to use by everyone. The system is a bit technical, so it's not everyone that can use it. It's a disadvantage. Executive may encounter overload of information. Yeah, sometimes due to the nature of the system, executive encounter overload of the informations. Overload. Then 3, difficult to manage database due to the large size of data. See, executive support system comes with a large form of data. So it is difficult to manage the database of executive support systems. Exclusive cost for small business. Such a system will be very exclusive cost to small business. So small business find it difficult to apply the system. They find it very, very difficult to apply the system. So that is executive support system. Now, under the executive, we are still under the executive support system, but we are going to look at digital dashboard. Digital dashboard under executive support system. A digital dashboard is a business intelligence tool that allowed a business leaders to track, analyze, and report on KPIs and matrices. I'm repeating it again. We are still on the executive support system, executive support information system. Digital dashboards. A digital dashboard is a business intelligence tool that allows business leaders to track, analyze, and report on KPIs and matrices. Modern interactive dashboard makes it easier to combine data from multiple sources and deeply exploit and analyze the data directly within the dashboard system. So this digital system is a system that allows you to interact. It makes interaction easy, combined various data, multiple data sources, and deeply exploit and analyze the data directly within the dashboard itself. That is what the digital dashboard, it helps you come out with so many data, and you can analyze the data within the system. It permits you to analyze the data within the system. Now, digital dashboard benefit. Let's look at the benefit of this digital dashboard under the executive support information system. Please, are you following? Please, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Digital dashboard benefit. I want us to, this digital dashboard that helps us to perform analysis and other things within the dashboard. Let's look at the benefit. Visualizing data by using modern dashboard software can immediately benefit your organization by helping you, one, turn data into business value. So you can turn data into business value. Most organizations have a vast amount of unorganized data. Digital dashboard help users honoring in only the most important data points and better leverage the data to improve their business decision. So it turns data into business value. It can help you, even unorganized data. This dashboard can help you to organize them and turn them to business value. And you can take so many business decisions from it. Relay key stakeholders. Digital dashboard can be high effective tool for supporting and strengthening your cases within decision making across the organization. In addition to help you quicken response to changing business needs, and clear visualization can help you present more comparing arguments for landing executive approvers. So here, this digital dashboard can be highly effective tool for supporting and strengthening your cases within decision making. That means it can help you within this across the entire organization. In addition, it helps you quicken response to changing business needs. It can help you to quick response to changing business needs. You see, it can help you to quickly respond to changing business needs. Some people are running up and down. So they are interrupting me. They are moving, going and coming, going and coming.
I think it's their network.
It's near their network, right? Okay, sorry. Then sorry. Okay, so let's concentrate. So relay on key stakeholders. You see, this executive support system can be effective to support strengthening cases within decision-making across the entire organization. In addition to it, can help quickly response to changing needs. It can help you to respond to changing needs quickly, and clear visualization can help you present more compelling argument for a landed executive approval. This is how that is the second. Then moving data literacy forward. Sharing the dashboard of organized, trustworthy data will help you to advance data drive cultures throughout all levels of the business. See, sharing the dashboard of organized, trustworthy data will help to advance a data drive culture throughout all levels of the organization. When employees are able to exploit data freely from a single location, users at all levels will be encouraged to make discovering, and in all, the digital dashboard can help employees and even management exploit a lot and do a lot on the digital dashboard. So a typical example of a digital dashboard is what we are seeing. It's an interface that helps you to perform so many. Here you are looking at scatter graph. You can manipulate the data. Even if you want to speak with a scatter graph, the system will be able to allow you to communicate or to come out with a very good report that can help you to perform analysis using the scatter graph. Praise, are we following? Okay, so digital support system. Now, where we are going to look at artificial intelligence and machine learning, is introducing us to, we are starting another fresh topic, but it's still under digital support system. No. Artificial intelligence. I hope you've all heard about artificial intelligence. Hello? I believe you've all heard about artificial intelligence. So we want to learn a little bit about it. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are often used interchangeable. When you hear machine learning, the artificial intelligence is built on two things: machine learning and algorithm. These are the means by which the artificial intelligence is based on machine learning and algorithm. So the artificial intelligence and machine learning, they use them interchangeable. So as I'll be using them interchangeable. When you hear machine learning, it means artificial intelligence is built on machine learning. So artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are often used interchangeable. But machine learning is a subset of the broader category of AI. That is artificial. Machine learning is a subset of the broader category of AI. Put into context, artificial intelligence refers to general ability of a computer to emulate human touch and perform tasks in the real world. I repeat it. Artificial intelligence refers to the general ability of a computer to emulate human touch and perform tasks in the real world environment, while machine learning refers to the technology and algorithm that enable a system to identify patterns, decision-making, and improve themselves through experience and data. I'm repeating it. Putting in context, artificial intelligence refers to the general ability of a computer to emulate human thought and perform tasks in a real-world environment, while machine learning refers to the technology and algorithms that enable systems like the artificial intelligence to identify patterns, make decisions, and improve themselves through experience and data. Computer programming and software developers enable computer to analyze data and solve problems. Essentially, they create artificial intelligence systems by applying tools such as 1. Machine learning, deep learning, neural network, computer vision, and natural language process. These are the tools that the artificial intelligence is built on. I'm taking it again. Computer programmers and software developers enable computers to analyze data and solve problems. Essentially, they create artificial intelligence systems by applying tools such as machine learning.
I'm having it.
Hello?
I'm going off if anything.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes?
Prof, we can hear you. We can hear you.
You can't hear me well.
We are hearing you clear.
Okay, Justice, you are there. Okay, so let's go on. So computer programmers and software developers enable computers to analyze data and solve problems. Essentially, they create artificial intelligence systems by applying such tools such as machine learning, deeper learning, neural networks, computer vision, and natural language processes. All these are tools upon which the artificial intelligence is built on. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is a path to artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a path to artificial intelligence. This subcategory of AI uses algorithms to automatically learn insights and recognize patterns from data, applying that learning to make increasingly better decisions. I'm taking it again. Machine learning is a path to artificial intelligence. This subcategory it's a subcategory of AI uses algorithm to automatically learn insight and recognize patterns from data, applying that learning to make increasingly better decisions. Okay, 2, by studying and experimenting with machine learning, programmers test the limit of how much they can improve the perception, the cognition and action of a computer system. Deep learning, an advanced method of machine learning, goes a step further. Deep learning model use large neural network and networks that function like human brains to locally analyze data, to learn complex patterns and make prediction independently of human input. Please, are we following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How can companies use AI and machine learning? How can they use them? To be successful in nearing any industry, organization must be able to transform their data into actionable insights. To be successful in nearing any industry, organization must be able to transform their data into actionable insight. Artificial intelligence and machine learning give organizations advantage of automations, a variety of manual processes into data and decision making. I take it again. Artificial intelligence and machine learning give organizations the advantage of automating a variety of manual processes involving data and decision making. By incorporating artificial intelligence and machine learning into their system and strategic planning, leaders can understand and act on data-driven insight with greater speed and efficiency. I'm taking it again. By incorporating AI, that is artificial intelligence, and machine learning into their systems and strategic planning, leaders can understand and act on data-driven insights with greater speed and efficiency. What am I trying to say? Who can help me? How do you understand this? Hello? The fact that we are online doesn't mean we cannot interact. It's still an interactive part of studies. So when we say by incorporating AI and machine learning into their systems and strategic planning, leaders can understand and act on data-driven insights with greater speed and efficiencies. What is it trying to communicate? Who can help? We are about 24 in the class, 14 in the class. Everybody is here. We are 13, so everybody is here. And I'm very glad that you've all attended. So I'm repeating it again, and I want the understanding of the class. By incorporating AI and machine learning into their systems and strategic planning, leaders can understand and act on data-driven insight with greater speed and efficiency. What are we communicating? Who can help me? Is Mr. Parliamentarian there? The man
Yes, sir.
I said.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Can you help us?
Okay, sir, let me try.
Okay, try.
Then, to my understanding, it gives us better understanding of effective response and proactive ways.
Okay. That's all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who else can also help? Who else can also help? By incorporating artificial intelligence and machine learning into their systems and strategic planning. You see, artificial intelligence and machine learning are also tools that management is using to aid the organization. One, to help them make a very good decision. One, what it means by helping them to make a good decision is if you have a system that can give you a very effective data, and the system can help you to analyze the data well with more accuracy, you are rest assured that whatever information that the data is giving you is very accurate, and you can depend and rely on it to take whatever decision that you want to take. You understand me?
Yeah.
Are you understanding me?
Okay, sir.
So when they incorporate, when they say incorporation, when that means when they combine or they have AI in place and machine learning in place, that is the system. One, even their strategic planning become very solid. You see, and leaders can understand and act on the data drive because they have effective data, and they can come out with very speed and efficient information that can help the organization. You understand me? So know that this AI and machine, they are all tools to aid the organization. They are nothing but tools to help the organization. Please, are you getting me? They are just tools to help the organization. AI in manufacturing. Now let's look at how AI can aid in manufacturing system. AI can be applied in manufacturing, in medicine, in finance, in education. AI can be applied everywhere. So let's look at how AI in manufacturing industry. Efficiency is key to the success of an organization in manufacturing industry. AI can help manufacturing leaders automate their business processing by applying data analytics and machine learning to applications such as the following. One, identify. Hello, somebody. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, let's go on.
The screen is not changing. It's still on digital. The screen you are sharing is not changing.
It's not changing.
Yes, please.
Also,
it's still on digital dashboard benefit.
Oh, is that so?
Yes,
dashboard. Okay, sorry. Okay, let me. Because some people are moving and out, so when they come, I have to admit them. So, okay. Oh, sorry. Let me, my mission of me, I will have to share it again. I'm coming. So please, can you see where am I now?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You can see, yeah. Machine in AI in manufacturing industry. Yeah, so artificial intelligence in manufacturing industry. Efficiency is key to the success of organization in manufacturing industry. Artificial intelligence can help manufacturing leaders to automate their business processing by applying data analytics and machine learning to applications such as the following. Identify equipment errors. So when AI is applied in manufacturing industry, it helps them to identify one, equipment error, any equipment in their possession before malfunction occur. Any error when you are using AI in the manufacturing system, any error before malfunction occurs, using the Internet of Things, analytic and machine learning, it brings out the error before the malfunction occur, when the equipment is undergoing a problem in manufacturing consent. Using an AI application on device located within a factory, they monitor production machine and predict when to perform maintenance. So AI will tell you when to perform maintenance, so it doesn't fail mid-shift, like mid-shift and other things will fail. AI tells you when to do that. Studying.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm trying to, I'm struggling to understand AI and the computers we have today. Is computers that we have today not an advanced form of AI? Because with the computers, once you program it to do something for you, it will do it just like AI.
Yes, but they are not AI. They don't have the machine learning facility and the algorithm. That makes the difference.
But sir, are they not all based on programming?
Yeah, but if your system can be a fantastic computer, if it's not program based on AI, it will not function like AI, and therefore it won't work like AI. You see, AI is such that, like manufacturing, it gives you an error. It's having a special error that communicates. It's having a special screen. You see, you are using the things and it has been fixed. So as in the manufacturing industries, as the computer has been fixed, it communicates to you whatever is going on. Maybe you may not be in the factory. You may be sitting in your office, but whatever is happening in the office, manufacturing industry, the factory, it will be communicating with you. Computer cannot do that. You understand me?
Yes, I do. But for example, presently, we are able to use, for example, CCTV camera hooked to my phone, and I can know what is happening in my office. Is that also a form of AI?
Yes, I would say, like, I don't know what works within the machine you have said. I don't know whether it's made of with algorithm and machine learning. You understand me? If it's programmed like that, then it's a form of AI. You know, AI, we have a lot of AIs. Now AI is being used to administer medications. You understand me? I don't know where Ghana we have started using AI to administer medication yet. But outside world, they are using AI to administer medication, diagnose, do whatever. You understand me? Which, like, let's assume something like ultra scanning. Who have seen ultra scanner? Ultra scanner.
Yes. For pregnancy.
Ultra scanner. Even if you are not well and you have your problem in your stomach, they can use ultra scanner to run through your stomach to detect whatever is wrong with your stomach. Who have seen that before?
Yes, I've seen it. I've heard about it.
Who have seen it?
So I've seen it.
You have seen it? Yes. I myself, they use ultra scanner to assess, to check through my stomach for me before. I myself.
Yes, whether you have any ulcer or something in there.
Yeah, whether problem, any problem, yeah, they can use ultra scanner in your stomach. Without using that stick. It's a way without using that stick through your throat.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, that is a very painful exercise. So
very painful.
Yeah.
Very painful.
Yeah, with the coming of ultra scanner, it has saved that problem that you will just be lying and they'll put the machine on you and it will be checking through everything in your stomach. It's a form of AI.
Yes, it will be going round
your stomach to come out with whatever whatever problem you that is how AI works.
And sir, please, whilst they are doing it to there is a machine there that will be detecting this place is this place is this place is this.
Yes. And all those things, I believe, is AI. You see?
It's AI, okay.
I believe it's AI diagnosing your stomach.
Yes.
You understand me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So these days, AI is assisting in so many areas. AI is helping in so many areas. And it needs to have, like, CTC scanner that you are saying. Yes, I don't know, but the way it detects and it can be AI. Yes, I don't know.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Yes, I want to ask a question.
Ask a question.
Do you know, of late, these vehicles, is there already? They have something called tracker. So if somebody comes for your vehicle and the person tells you, oh, I'm around Takoradi, once you have a tracker in your phone, you can track where the car is and see that the person
you can even stop the car. You can even stop the car from going.
Yes, you can stop the car. Yes, you are right.
You can even stop the car. You press something.
So is that what you are talking about?
You disengage the engine.
Yeah, and it is all means of AI.
Oh, okay.
Can computer alone do that?
No, sir.
No, please.
So your AI, we have it in every field.
Okay.
AI can be applied in every field, sector, every sector. Have you seen a robot farming? Who have seen a robot farming?
Yes.
Is it not AI?
It's AI, sir.
A robot farming.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's AI.
AI farming. Now, it's a very good thing.
Yeah.
You see, so the coming of the AI, the coming of the AI is helping so many things, and we also need to prepare ourselves. Though AI will try to eliminate, reduce the number, but it cannot eliminate human performance entirely to reduce the number.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's see AI and machine learning so we have seen the factory, how AI can help predict certain things and so can help to perform maintenance quickly, not to reduce shift time and all these things. Let's see AI and machine learning in banking. Data privacy and securities are especially critical within banking industry. Financial leaders can keep customers' data secure while increasing efficiency using AI and machine learning in several ways. Using machine learning to detect and prevent fraud and cyber attack. You see, machine learning and AI can help us to reduce using machine learning to detect and prevent cyber attack. Machine learning and AI can help us detect cyber security attack. Cyber security attack. We shall see what cyber security is in our subsequent studies. Integrating
Metrics, computer.
Junior, I'm lecturing. I'll talk to you later.
Integrating biometrics and computer vision
to quickly authenticate users' identity and process document. You see? Now, integrating user identity, you see, and processing document, like what we do. Maybe you want you went to Accountant General. Do you have anybody from Accountant General in our midst?
Yes, sir. Rosina is there, please.
Rosina, integrating biometric and computer visions to quicken authentication, user identity, and processing. There are certain things you would like to see the person before you process. When these things are integrated,
yes, you are right.
Biometric and computer visions, yes, you can't even access by the person card and do whatever you need to do for the person, process whatever document you need to process for the person, and when the person comes, he will just either press a tone or something of that nature, and it will be off. You understand me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So these days, AI can be applied. This is how it can be applied in banking and finance.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yes.
Incorporating.
Okay, sir, can I ask a question?
Sir.
Ask question.
Okay, sir. These days, when you go to the bank and they want to validate your, for example, Ghana card, you put your finger or the thumb on a machine, on a small machine, and then they will authenticate it and say it's okay. I want to know whether that is also another form of AI.
It's another form of AI. It's another. What do we do?
Hello, sir.
In the absence, I'm coming, Rosina. In the absence of the AI, what do we do manually before the these days you have that machine? Justice, I want to know.
Well,
okay.
Before, what is the practicing?
Sir, either you use your thumbprint or your signature.
Yeah. Okay.
But this time, after pressing on, is that not what you said?
Yeah.
Yes, there's a small machine that you put your thumb on it.
Your thumb on it.
There's a camera too. There's a camera too. So it's either you are using the fingerprint or we do facial recognition.
Facial. Thank you. Yes. Even that alone, the facial recognition is totally AI. You understand me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
The facial recognition is AI system. I told you of a woman, a journalist, who was going for a conference, and the AI system has been programmed to recognize human face. But when these prominent journalists reach there, not knowing the AI has been programmed to recognize only white face. And this woman is a Black American journalist. So when he got there, the machine is not recognizing her face too. So later, after the detection, they recognize that the machine in general has not been programmed to recognize black faces. It has only been programmed to recognize white faces. So the system couldn't permit the woman to enter. You see? So these are some small ethical issues or challenges with the AI. Where AI also work with what it has been programmed to do or what it has been authorized to do. If you are requesting, you are giving the AI request which it has not been programmed for, it cannot perform. That is the limitation they have. You understand me?
Yes, sir. But sir, I want to ask a question here.
Please ask me.
Sir, about the facial recognition, the facial, there is a big challenge there.
Yes.
Sometimes every 5 years, when they capture your data into some systems, you have to go and take another picture again. So,
I myself,
what is the challenge here?
I myself, because we have two things. Either the organization is not keeping its database well, because it depends on the database. It depends on the database, because the request for retrieval have to be sent to the database. But if the database is not there, you send the request for retrieval, it can't come.
Okay.
Especially, I fought on this when I was going to renew my passport at a passport office. They asked me, I know when I was going to fill the passport, I went there about 15 years ago. I went there, I went through biometric and everything, you see. And the system capture. They've taken my picture, like how they've been doing. They've done everything. Yes. Quite recently, I went there. They give me a paper. And I said, why? They have it in the system. And what do you tell Massa? If you are from abroad, we are not there yet. We are not fully there yet. So you have to fill the form for us again. The thing is not in the system. You see? So I have to fill the form. I have to go through the same procedure as somebody who is doing it fresh.
Yeah.
You see? What it means is that they don't have a good database. So they were unable to keep the previous information for you.
Oh, okay.
That is the problem. That is the...
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Please, are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go on. Incorporating smart technologies such as chatbot and voice assistance to automated basic customer service functions. Okay. So let's look at AI application in health systems. AI application. I want us to look at how AI can be we've looked at AI, we've seen how it works, how it applies and take decision. So we are picking industry. We've looking at manufacturing industry, how AI can help there. We've looked at banking and finance industry, how AI can help there. Let's look at the healthcare, AI application in the healthcare. The AI, I'm coming, let me take some small water.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so let's look at AI application in the health industry. The healthcare field use huge amount of data and increasingly relies on informatives and analysis to provide accurate, efficient health service. AI tools can help improve patients' outcome, save time, and even help provide or avoiding burnt out by one, analyzing data from users' electronic health records through machine learning to provide clinical decision support and automated insight. Integrating an AI system that predicts the outcome of hospital visitation to prevent reading missions and shorten the time patients are kept in the hospital. Capturing and recording provider patients' interactions in examining a telephone appointment using natural language understanding. An expert system is an advanced computer. So in healthcare also, AI can start performing from the record system straight. I'm explaining. From record system, you go there, they have a system that can check the patient's record card. These days, yes.
Please, the health application in healthcare. I want to talk about the healthcare.
Okay, talk about it. I'm listening.
Yes, you know, of late when you go to the hospital,
yes,
and they ask you to do the lab.
Yes.
After doing the lab, you sit quietly.
Oh no, you before we come to the lab, let's start from record system. These days, when you go there,
yes,
you see straight away from the record, the system your name are recording, you are not even giving card. You don't hold cards these days.
No, you only have to mention your name, and they have your details. And
they check and do everything, and the information goes straight to the consulting room.
Yeah.
Is that not it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is.
So before you get to the doctor click at the click of something. The doctor is having all your information, or he will just ask you of your name, and he's having all your information. He can also work, and when you need a lab, he can also work and send the information straight to the lab. So you just walk to the lab. Before you get there, your information and everything are there. You understand me? The lab system.
So that one.
Yes, I'm listening.
Yes, please. That one is after the doctor has asked you to go and do lab. So after you doing the lab, then the lab man will send it straight to the doctor.
And so the doctor, I was in the hospital. I was in the hospital also that the doctor asking them to go to the lab, send the information straight to the lab.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand me? So we just went there and do the payment. Then they also, and after undertaking the lab system, they also send their information straight back to the doctor without giving you anything.
Yes. Any paper. Now, when you go to the hospital, you don't hold any documents.
You don't hold. Yes.
No folder. No folder.
Yes. It's systems.
Now there is nothing like folder for you when you go to the hospital.
No. You see, and if the doctor have to do further work on you, there is a machine he can even use sometimes without he pressing you and all this thing to diagnose all your systems. Yes. They are getting there. The machine will diagnose and do everything and come out with a report. Yes, and come out the outside where they are there. Machine will diagnose you and do everything and give him a report. Then, and even sometimes the same machine prescribe all the medication. He only check whether it's applicable to you. Please, you have seen where we are getting to.
Yes, sir.
And they are all means by AI, artificial intelligence.
Yeah, okay.
They are all means by AI. Hello?
Yeah.
So let's look at what we term expert systems. Expert systems. Then, are we closing 9 o'clock? Hello?
Sir, we have your hands.
Yeah. We are meeting today and tomorrow for me to clear my 2 days.
Yes, it's today and tomorrow. Yes, sir.
Today and tomorrow. So let's go on. Okay, an expert system is an advanced computer application that is implemented for the purpose of providing solutions to complex problems or to clear uncertainty through the use of non-algorithm programs where normal human experts will be needed. So this is an expert system, non-algorithm, which means it has nothing to do with AI.
Okay.
Hello? It's a system, but it has nothing to do with AI.
Yeah.
Expert system. So let's move on. Expert systems are most common in complex problem domain and are considered as widely used alternative in search for solutions that require the existence of specific human experts. So, as the saying, sometimes it's the application of human expert efforts. Expert system is also able to justify its provider solution based on the knowledge and the data from the past. Normally, expert systems are used in making business marketing strategic decisions. Analyzing the performance of a real-time system, configuring computers and performing many other functions which normally were required in existence of human expert. The difference between an expert system with a normal problem-solving system is that the latter is a system where many programs and data structures are coded, while for expert system, only the data structures are hard-coded and no program-specified information is coded in the program structure. Hey, please, you are talking. Instead, the knowledge of a human expert is captured and codified in a process known as knowledge engineering. When we say coding, what do we mean by coding? Hello? Coding. What do you mean by coding? Hello?
Yes, sir.
When you are dealing with system and you hear coding, what do you understand when we say coding? Who can give me another word for coding? We are doing information management information system, so there are certain things we need to understand. A difference between an expert system.
Coding, that is identification.
Is it Rosina?
Emma.
Auntie Emma, coding. Okay, you let me keep it. Will somebody try?
Another word for coding could also be programming, right?
Thank you. This is what I work. Coding is programming. Coding. When you hear coding, it means it's a program. Coding actually works under the program, whatever program. It is the coding that enables the programs to work. So we call it programming. You are correct. Coding is programming. Chris, are you okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Coding is programming. So we are saying that the difference between an expert system with a normal problem-solving system is that the latter is a system where both programming and data structures are coded. They are coded. It means they are programmed. Hello? Hey, somebody should put up the DC.
Mr. Pinto.
Mr. Pinto.
Yes, sir.
You are disturbing us.
No, it's not my line.
Yeah, I could see somebody is holding phone. That phone.
No, it's not me.
Okay, so let's go on, Mr. Pinto. Okay, we are closing 8:30. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
So that next week or tomorrow too we continue. Okay. So why for expert system only the data structures are hard coded and no problem specific information is coded in the program structure. Instead, the knowledge of the human expert is captured and codified in a process known as knowledge engineering. You see? So it's the human knowledge that is captured and just put in place. Hence, whenever a particular problem requires the assistance of a certain expert to provide a solution, the human expert, which has been codified, will be used and processed in order to provide the rational and logical solution. So the expert knowledge is captured and put in the place, fits in the system, so that That facility can be used at any time when needed. This knowledge-based expert system enable the system to be frequently added with new knowledge. So as they go, they add and adapt accordingly to meet new requirements from the ever-changing and predictable environment. So let's look at the component. I don't know, can you see the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Component of expert system. An expert system has many code system components to function and interface with individuals of various roles. The following diagram apply expert system component and human interface. So you see the user, you see the domain expert, you see the expert, the knowledge engineering, the expert codified based on knowledge, the expert codified, then interface engineering, the user interface, then we have system engineering, then we have work storage. Please examine the diagram and tell me something, how you understand the diagram. Everybody is going to tell me something about the diagram, what you have seen. So study the diagram. So who is going to start? Who is going to start? You are 14, so I'll be counting my figures. Who is going to start? Mr. Parliament, start for us.
Okay, sir. It starts from...
I hope we are safe. I hope we are safe from Parliament.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are safe.
We are safe.
100%.
Okay, let's go on.
From the domain aspect.
Yes.
Then you come to the expertise, knowledge engineer.
So no, tell me one. So
No.
domain expert. Who can the domain expert be?
Will be the human interface.
But you tell me who will be the main expert who has the
Yeah.
knowledge? Yeah, so I will take that. Yes,
Okay.
who else? Who else? So I have one. We are 14. So everybody will speak. I'm not seeing you, but I'm counting my figures. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can Emma talk? Can Emma talk? Is Efwa there?
Oh, sir.
So talk now. Okay, Auntie Emma, talk. Then Efwa. Hello? Help me. Pick one and explain. We have the expert. I want to see whether you understand the diagram. Efwa. Auntie Efwa. Are you there? Is Auntie Efwa there? Okay, so we have, as Mr. Parliament rightly said, we have the domain expert, we have the expert, the rare expertise knowledge. So it is the domain expert that capture to have the knowledge engineering. And that knowledge engineering is coded. The expert is coded into the system. You see? So we have knowledge base. Then we have the user. Then we have the user interface. We have the engineering interface. It gives you the interface. User interface is the overall screen. Then we have the engineering interface. If you want to go into the engineering system, it's through the engineering interface. Then we have the knowledge base. Then we have working storage, all the information stored. You see, so you can play within the system. You can retrieve and input information as and when, and retrieve information as well. That is how the whole system works. Okay, so the major component of the expert system. We have the knowledge base, a sort of rules as presentations of experts, mostly if-then statement. Then we have work storage, the database which is specified to the problem being solved. Then we have engineering interface engineering, the code at a core of the system, which drive recommendations from the knowledge base and the problem specified data in the work storage. Then we have the user interface, the code that controls the dialogue between the user and the system. There are certain major rules of individuals who interact with the expert system to fully exploit its functionality and capability. They are, we have the domain expert, the individual, or the individuals who experts are being solving the problem the system is intended to solve. Then we have the knowledge engineering, the individual who encodes the expert knowledge in a form that can be used by the expert system. Then we have user interface, the individual who will be consulting with the system to get advice which could have been provided by the expert. Major of experts are both with the expert system, which contain an interface engineering and user interface. This shall be used, sorry, there's some mistake there. This shall be used by a knowledge engineering to build a system centered for specific problem domain. Sometimes expert systems are also built with custom developed SHA for certain application. In this scenario, there will be another additional individual. Then we have system engineering, the individual who built the system interface, design, the creative format of the knowledge base and implementing the interface. Okay, so depending on the type of project, the knowledge engineering and the system engineering might be the same person. For a custom built system, the design of the format of the knowledge base and the code of the domain knowledge are closely related. The format has a significant effect on the coding of the knowledge. One of the major hurdles to overcome in building expert system is the knowledge engineering process. The process of codifying the expert into a required rule format can be a challenging and tedious task. One of the major advantages of customized shell is that the format of the knowledge base can be designed to facilitate the knowledge engineering process. So knowledge-based expert system. Not all systems have learning component to adapt in new environment or to meet new requirement. But a common element each expert system possesses is that once the system is fully developed, it will be tested and be proven by being placed in the same real-world problem-solving situation, typically as an aid to human workers or a supplement to some information system. Another reference books are able to provide a tremendous amount of knowledge. Users have to read, comprehensive, and interpret the knowledge for it to be used. Conventional computer programming are built to perform functions using conventional decision-making logic. Having only little knowledge alone with basic algorithm performing the specific functions and fulfill the necessary boundary conditions. So let's expert system features. Let's look at expert. Please, are you following it?
Yes, sir.
Expert system features. Let's look at expert. There are a number of features which are commonly used in expert system. These features allow the user to fully utilize the expert system capabilities conventionally in providing the most logical and reasonable decision in a problematic situation. Backward chaining and inference techniques which continuously go into small sub-goals which are easily to provide via if-in rules. Dealing with uncertainty. The system has the capability to handle and reason with conditions that are uncertain and data which are not precisely known. Forward changing and inference techniques which deduce a problem solving from initial data via if-in rules. Data presentation, the method where the specific problem data is stored and accessed in the system. The user interface, a portion of the code which creates easy to use system. Then explanation, the ability of the system to explain the reason processing that it's used to reach a recommendation. Let's look at advantage of using expert system. As advantage of using expert system. Expert system has been reliable use. Expert system has been reliable use in business world to gain tactical advantage and forecast in market condition. In this global era where every decision making in the business world is critical for success, the assistance provided from an expert system is undoubtedly essential and highly reliable for organization success. Example given below will be an advantage for the implementation of an expert system. Providing consistent solution. It can provide consistent answers for repetitive decision, processes, and tasks. As long as the rule base in the system remain the same, regardless of how many times similar problems are being tested, the final conclusion draw will be the same. So that will be the same. So let's look at disadvantages of expert systems. Disadvantage of expert system. Although expert system does provide many significant advantages, it does have its drawbacks as well. Example given below will be disadvantage for implementing of an expert system. Lack of common sense. When I say lack of common sense, you understand.
Apply,
yes. Expert system cannot apply. It lacks common sense needed in simple decision making. And since all the decision making are based on the inference rules set in the system, it also cannot make creative and innovative response as human expert would in unusual circumstances. High implementations and maintenance costs. The implementation of expert system in business will be a financial burden for small organizations since it has high development costs as well as subsequent recurring costs to upgrade the system to adapt a new environment. Difficult in creating inference rule. Domain expert will not be able to always explain their logic and reasoning need for the knowledge engineering process. Hence, the task of coding out the knowledge is highly compressed and may require high, then may provide wrong solution. Yes, it happened. It is not error-free. There may be error occurring in the processing due to some logic mistake made in the knowledge base, which it will then provide wrong solutions. So this takes us to management information system, which we shall start looking at from tomorrow. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we are meeting again. Then next week, I'll give you coming Saturday. Next week, Wednesday, we are meeting. Then we start with our one-on-one meeting in the week.
Okay, sir.
So in a week, we'll meet once. Then the following 2 weeks, we have to meet physical.
Okay.
I hope it will be good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this week we are not coming.
Okay.
This week we are making 2 times. We are meeting tomorrow. Then next week we are meeting Wednesday online.
Okay.
So the following week before I'll be meeting you physical.
Okay.
So I'll give you two weeks free.
Okay, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
So thank you.
Sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to say something on the AI.
Please say something. I'm ready.
Okay. Currently, there are pilot AI driving schools or cars which, if you order in US, which is 5 states, they will come and pick you like how we have our Uber these things here.
Yeah.
Without a driver.
It has a driver.
No, without a driver.
Oh, yes. Yeah,
yes.
I have an opportunity of sitting in a train, a whole train, electronic train without a driver.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's surprising. I sat in electronic train in China.
Yes.
China, most of the train are without drivers.
Yeah. It has been programmed by the AI, which control it. So 5 minutes to where it will stop, there will be some alarm. Then you have to be getting ready, because the least, when the time is another 5 minutes, you see the train going. So you have to be ready. And when you get to your destination, you have to move very fast.
Yeah.
So now it will come to Ghana. It's coming. We even have we have them. We have them.
Yes. So within 5 years or 10 years,
it will be here. It will be here.
Our roads are very bad.
So yeah, you know, some of the Ubers digital can take you to some place. So
even this digital that Bawumia is shouting, we are not doing it well. You said digital. Now the card cry, when you want it, how you struggle before you get it. Then what type of digitalization are we doing?
Exactly.
If you are unfortunate and you misplace your card, how you struggle before you get is this digitalization?
No, you have to go and join the queue and go through.
It should be free.
It should be 420.
For you see, it should be a common commodity. Because we are digitizing, it should be a common commodity that you walk within the step, you can change it and be free. But now you have to go and pay money. I don't see it as
send it to money making.
Yes, I don't see it as digitalization. We are not serious. We are not serious. We say we are digitalizing, and look at how people can struggle before getting the card. The card that Bawumia is preaching with. The card. We are not serious. We are not serious. So we have to pray for our dear nation. Let it be your consent to pray for Ghana, because Ghana is ill. We don't have good leaders.
Yes.
Leaders that when they come, they will chop the Monday rah. They want to be far from poverty when they leave the scene. They want to be far from poverty. So they are less concerned about anybody in the country. They and their family, they want to be far. They don't want to see poverty, meet poverty anywhere when they are off. And that is what is killing Ghana. So we have to pray for Ghana. When you are praying for yourself, pray for the country as well.
Okay, yes, sir.
So we are meeting tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.